This is how to pack for 7 days in Hawaii. So I'm actually packing my suitcase to go back home. I've just spent 7 days here in Hawaii and I want to go over a packing guide video. So if you guys are planning on going on a vacation this year, hopefully this packing guide will help you out, whether it's Hawaii or somewhere like Mexico. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's get into it. So I am currently just repacking my whole entire suitcase. First thing I recommend is to go on Amazon and buy yourself some packing cubes. I'm absolutely obsessed with my packing cubes. I have them in multiple sizes, and it's a really great way to keep your suitcase organized. I have also recently got into unpacking my suitcase, which I have never done before, but I find my suitcase is such a mess by the end of the trip that if you just put your stuff in drawers, like your tops, your pants, your skirts, your suitcase ends up staying way more neat. I mean, my suitcase still got messy, honestly, but I always have to repack at the end of a trip anyways, so at least that keeps me a bit more organized. So my two most worn items on my trip have to be these two long flowy skirts. Now, I love long flowy skirts because you can dress them up or down. They can basically be paired with anything. And of course, you got black and white, your basics. You really can't go wrong, especially for Hawaii. These like flowy skirts are really nice if you're just going for breakfast in the morning. I also happen to pair these skirts. One of my favorite outfits I made while I was here was this Zara top that kind of like wraps around. I paired it with this white skirt and I absolutely loved the kind of island chic vibe that it gave me. Then I had a pair of white sandals like this that I paired with it as well. So often we'll bring a pair of black flip-flops, more casual, going to the beach. Rubber flip-flops are key because if you get sand on them, they won't get wrecked. And then a pair of kind of fancier nice heels like this are really great with that. And then when it came to this black flowy skirt like this, I often paired it with just a top, kind of like this. I like these tops because you don't necessarily have to wear a bra with them. And then I also have another top that's kind of stretchy. Oftentimes too, I will just wear these ones on the plane because they're really comfortable and you could wear them with shorts if you're going on an adventure day. And then I always bring my Live More reversible top with me. So this one, obviously, I mean, it's from my clothing brand, so I love it. It just looks like this. And then what's really great about it is the plain black side. It is a staple and a pattern fun top in one. It has a little point. So I will often pair these with my skirts or a pair of shorts, and really, really versatile. So aside from the two skirts, I will bring 3 pairs of shorts with me. So I have, of course, a jean pair of shorts. This is Girlfriend denim, and they're not super short. They are like a little bit longer, just so they're nice and comfortable. And then this stretchy pair of black shorts, once again, you can dress it up or down, which is key. So oftentimes to go get coffee in the morning or breakfast, I'll just throw these on, really comfortable. And then lastly, I bring a very comfy pair of shorts. Looks like this. I have worn these a lot this trip. So when going to the beach, or we had a day where we rented a car and drove around the whole island and we were driving for a while. So I wanted to be comfortable in the car. So I just actually threw these on over my swimsuit. And yeah, they were great. So 3 pairs of shorts is basically all you need in the week because oftentimes you'll be mixing in with your skirts and your dresses. And I also want to mention too, I am just bringing a carry-on on this trip. And I really nowadays, because I do travel so much, try to bring the least amount of stuff as possible and stuff I'm actually going to wear. So if you're not 100% sure you're gonna wear something, don't bring it. The next thing I want to talk about is dresses. So my favorite dress that I got so much use out of is this flowy orange dress like this. This is actually from my friend's clothing company, Finding July. Absolutely adorable. I had picked it up at our pop-up shop. I had done a pop-up shop with Live More and a few other female entrepreneurs in Vancouver, and I picked up this piece on sale, and I'm literally obsessed. I love flowy dresses because, once again, throw it on in the morning, going to get breakfast, or you can also wear it at night, add some little jewelry like this, and it looks nice and fancy. And then for going out for dinner and at night, I do like to bring little sundresses. So I did bring 3 dresses with me. This one is just white, kind of crochet-ish, crochet vibes. I'm like, what do you call this? And then I also have this dress that looks like this. I often do like to bring more colorful dresses with me, but when I'm at home, I wear a lot of black and white, so I will try and bring some more colorful ones like this. This one right here is absolutely adorable. This is actually from my little sister's clothing company called Souls. So if you guys aren't following it, she has so many cute things. I actually have another set I'll show you, but it just looks like this and really, really pretty, and has like a little tie on the top. So stuff like that. So dresses like this are really great for Hawaii. And then of course, when you're traveling, you have to bring a matching set with you. So I brought this one. This is a pair of shorts and top, extremely comfortable. This is also from my sister's clothing line, Souls, and she does have this on the website right now. So I will leave it linked below, but this top, you guys, it is so incredibly soft and comfortable. So definitely check it out because she has a lot of really, really cute stuff. And then I did also bring one fancier slip dress. So it is nice to have kind of one fancy dress, especially if you're here with your partner and maybe you're going out for a fancy dinner one night. Having something that is a little bit fancier is nice. So this one is from Zara, and we had also gone to a wedding here as well. So I did wear this one to the wedding, just kind of a classic black dress. So if you guys watched my Europe packing video, you would see me talking about my little wrap shorts that I like to bring with me. And a lot of stores have these. Honestly, you can also get them like off Amazon. And what's great about them is you can obviously pair them with your skirts, your shorts, pants as well, which I'll talk about in a sec. And you can also tie them a bunch of different ways. So you can do your classic, like around the, like this, you can tie it like this and then go over, obviously covering the chest area. And then because at night, you never know, it might get chilly, I always like to bring kind of a light sweater type option. And another staple piece for me, which I do bring on every single trip, is a plain black pair of comfy pants. These are just a crepe, a crinkle crepe, and they don't wrinkle, which is great. They're kind of like a wide leg pant. This is probably my most used travel wardrobe item. And then that set, when I had bought it, actually came with a plain black collared shirt in the same non-wrinkle fabric. And I like this as well for if I want something just a bit more casual. And then I did also bring a plain white collared shirt. And then next, I always bring a unnecessarily large amount of swimsuits because, you know, having a swimsuit line, if you guys didn't know, I do have a reversible swimsuit line. So I do like to bring the swimsuits with me, not only to like shoot, but just to have different options. But this trip, because I wasn't going on as long of a trip, I did just bring kind of half the amount I normally bring. This one is honestly my favorite. So because they're reversible, you get 2 swimsuits in one. So you actually don't need to bring that many swimsuits. So this is the purple swirl bottoms. And then I love pairing it with this one right here. So this is the purple flower top. And this is one of the first double prints that we had done at Livermore. So you got this cute little flower pattern here, and then you turn around and it is a tie-dye print. We do have matching sarongs for all of these swimsuits. Yeah, I will never go on a trip without my Livermore bikinis because they are really cute. I know I'm biased, but like they honestly, I think are really cute. So if you guys do want to shop any of that, I do have a 20% discount code down in the description. All right, we're getting to the last few things. So I will usually bring a workout set with me. I'm not gonna lie, I did not use it. I did plan on going on a hike here, but I'm like, where'd the week go? We didn't have time to go hiking. So I just have this Lululemon Align top. And then I have these airy shorts, bike shorts that are really light. They pack super small. Really, it doesn't take up that much room. And then I have the option to work out if I want to. And then for accessories, I will bring 2 pairs of sunglasses. I have this black pair and also this yellow pair because apparently yellow sunglasses make you feel happier, and I can definitely attest to that. It just makes everything look bright and yellow and fun. And then for hats, I bring one little sun hat because, you know, you gotta protect your sun from the face. No, you gotta protect your face from the sun. And then just a ball cap that I often will wear on the plane, and it has a little thing like this. This is from Aloe, so I can put my ponytail in there and protect myself from the sun. And then as for bags, my most used bag this trip was actually this random tote bag from H&M. I could bring down to the beach with me, or if we were going on a day trip, it was really great just to put all of my stuff in there. And then I did bring 2 of my designer bags. So because I was going to a wedding this trip, I did want to have kind of a fancier little bag. This is one of my favorite small Prada bags. It's my first designer bag I ever bought, and I love her. And then we actually have another Prada bag. So this is the one that like everyone and their mom has. I like this one because it's just really casual. And then I can actually also turn it into a shoulder bag. I do love having little shoulder bags. I will adjust that, but anyways, like that. And then last but not least, we have footwear. So I know I did mention these white sandals like this. So I do only bring 2 pairs of sandals on this trip. A bit more fancy, and then just very, very casual. And then I have a pair of runners that I can also wear at night. I do wear these on the plane, so I always suggest you wear your bulkiest goods on the plane to save room in your suitcase. And then lastly, I just brought this pair of heels. It looks like this. I love these. These are from Schutz. I usually call them Schultz for some reason, Schutz. Anyways, they're I'm totally pronouncing that wrong. Schutz. They're a Brazilian brand. Really, really beautiful though. And get a lot of use out of these, especially too if I want to dress up an outfit. It looks really good in that regard. And that is everything I brought with me for a week in Hawaii. I hope you guys found this helpful. I am going to be putting a packing list together that you guys can download from my website. So if you are going on a trip this year, it will make packing a breeze. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. 'Cause the problem is I love you.